This is, look at this. This is an Esco.
Esco.
1975, I believe.
1975. That sun is bright.
Yeah, it's got C.J. Anderson.
Yeah. Wow. Ugh.
Oh, A. That's not very exciting.
Yeah. That is, though. What you have over there? Let's see.
There's the alarm bell.
There it goes. Let's listen to it. Runs really good.
Is there a desk at A?
No, I'm sure someone down there.
Oh, okay.
Let me see about the bumper. Alright, what do you think about this?
It's definitely neat. I would have loved to see the original buttons.
Yeah, this is not very old, within the past 10 years.
Yeah. The lights are a little annoying.
It's a nice elevator.
I think it's interesting they put the G button though for the up.
Yeah.
Like, you know what? I bet that came off this old panel here.
Yep. He's over. Oh, that one lights up, look.
Yeah, it's just the sun's really bright. G. All right. Yeah, that's pretty neat.
That's cool.
All right.
Yeah.
That's it.